I found this vintage chair at Kobe Swap Meet for $35. It's cool, but it was dingy and had a little granny vibe to it that I wanted to update with our new Bohemian Brights.
I believe I'm a man with a heart that's a little...
It is Monday morning. We are going to be putting out a series of short DIY videos because I have 1 month to flip this room before we have the grand opening of our new furniture room. I paid $20 for this chair at Kobe Swap Meet. I flipped it in like an hour. It was brown, it was dingy, it was dirty, and now it is painted with our new Bohemian Brights. I don't know if you can see, but it's hot pink.
You gotta love her like a religion.
For maximum brightness, you want to put down a base coat of a similar color before putting on the Bohemian Brights. So I mixed together Petticoat Pink and Kissing Booth to get this bubblegum pink color before applying the hot pink. If you've been following me on Facebook, you know that I have been going back and forth between closing the store or keeping it open. This room back here is a mess. We've used it for shipping and overflow. We can't afford to do that because we pay a lot for rent. We're taking all of this mess back to Cedros and we're turning this into flea market, swap meet finds, furniture, and all kinds of home decor. Levi, what do you think? The room is a mess. A third of the store has never been open to the public because it's a giant shipping mess and it's embarrassing. But rent is really high in this location and we need to turn this into part of the sales floor. So we're taking all of our swap meet finds, transforming them, and turning the back room into a vintage wonderland. The grand opening is March 3rd, 4th, and 5th. I have 6 new colors curated by Dion of the Turquoise Iris called Bohemian Brights. These colors have a built-in sealer and can even work on fabric.
Good morning now, little singing bird. It's been a while.
The grand opening is the first weekend in March, so I have 1 month to get it together before Dion gets here and Mary LaFay and all the classes, and you are invited. There's all kinds of fun details and things happening. Dion and I will be teaching a furniture painting workshop, and there will be lots of other great classes and events. The link is down below. The next thing I wanted to do was brighten up the needlepoint. So I'm spraying the fabric first, then I'm going in with a detailed brush and applying more of the new Bohemian Brights. This right here is the first thing that we are going to show you. I am going to be flipping furniture as fast as I can, and we're going to be putting out videos showing you what we did. This part right here was just all kind of faded and gross and dirty and dingy, and I spruced it up with our new Bohemian Brights right here. Can you see this color? This is like a chartreuse yellow situation. It's Dion's new colors. They are out. You can go get them from your local retailer. I will put the information down below.
Let's find a little spot in the shade. Pink lemonade, pink lemonade.
I continued to brighten up the needlepoint using all of the new colors, spraying the fabric first. And then I realized that the back of the chair was this dingy brown, so I added Monet's Garden to that part. When painting upholstery, you want to think of it as dyeing the fabric rather than painting the fabric. If the paint sits on the surface, then you will change the texture and risk getting a crunchy, rough feel to your soft fabric. The last thing to do was apply some dark wax into the details. Because the Bohemian Brights have a built-in sealer, it was a nice slick surface, so I could apply the dark wax generously and wipe it back easily. That is it for the chair. If you can see, I have a velvet sofa behind me. I have these really cool lamps that I got at the thrift store. So stay tuned if you want to see more furniture flipping DIYs. I'm looking for quick ideas, things that I can do in a day. Part of our grand opening event is something that I've always wanted to do, a free field trip to Kobe Swap Meet. I'll be sharing with you my best tips on finding bargains and how to turn them into beautiful decor for your home. The link is below. How much it cost to fill my gas tank? It used to cost me about $52 for a bigger car. Driving to the shop, and this is on the side of the road. I think everyone is feeling the inflation crunch these days. At DIY A Go-Go, we are all about creating a beautiful space on a budget and using what we already have. If you can make it to San Diego, we would love to see you at our event. We have all kinds of classes, field trips, and some free make and takes as well. Click the link below for more details. Subscribe if you want to see more, and come to DIY A Go-Go in Encinitas. Come to our grand opening. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. To get your Bohemian Brights, or to find a retailer near you, or to sell it in your store, click the link below. Thanks for watching. It will clear space inside that room so I can start staging it. 3 more big boxes to pack, and we will be caught up